Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. In this video, we're going to talk about one-on-one consultations if you're starting a business, if you're already in the business, and how you want to improve the business. And I have my notes, so bear with me. It's very important to talk to someone that is actually where you want to be. I actually have spoken to people that were way beyond me in business knowledge and all this stuff. I've been doing this for over 30 something years. So I made sure that I listen to people that has the experience and everything else that needs to be done. The benefits of being on a one-on-one consultation is that I'm going to be talking to you one-on-one, giving you my undivided attention. I have 30-minute tier, an hour tier, or 2-hour tier, depends on where you're at. If you are just starting off or you're completely advanced and you just need some documents, which I have 9 documents that will really help your business thrive, and that's what I'm here for. You can ask questions of the scenarios that I've been through, how to handle certain things, or if you're stuck at something, or your business is like at a standstill or it's stagnant, I will give you a lot of great things that will just make you completely different from the other mobile mechanics. A lot of the mobile mechanics, you're gonna look at Craigslist or call them on the phone, and you're gonna be like, why? What makes you so different? First of all, we're licensed. We have insurance. We have the experience. Everything we do is printed out. We're not going to just handwrite something. Even looking at the labor guide, everything is electronic. We accept all cards. We have a business license, and we can show you all this versus everybody out there who are just trying to do something. That's something that you want to make sure that you just personify. Yeah, the professional outfit, hat, coat, whatever you need. You're dressed nice. You got advertisement on your business vehicle. You just look the part, you feel the part, you know the part, and you are the part. A lot of people don't want to release information. I know when I first started out, it was like pulling teeth. Everybody was giving me crickets. And it's like they were scared to give up some business secrets. It's not a business secret. Everybody needs everybody. And you might be across the country, or you might be actually in the 757 area. I'm in Hampton, so even if you do better than me, I'm not going to get jealous any shape from a way, because my job, I want to just give the knowledge to other people, and I want to help them, and I want to edify their business. And it is very scary to run your own business. It's not just like collecting money, and there's a lot to go into it. And that's why I want to just take some of the stress off of you and point to the direction. This has been working for us. This is excellently working for us, and just keep going up and up and up and up. And you might have some ideas that you can swap with me. It's all about helping each other. There's no competition. Just as long as you're being yourself, there's no competition. So doing a consultation with me, all my focus is to help you better yourself, answer questions, and get you in the right direction. Because at the end of the day, I don't want you to make beer money. I want you to make champagne money. And if you can skip all the mistakes that I have made in the 30 something years of doing what I do and just get higher and much faster, that's what I want you to do. Because, for instance, a lot of people say it takes 1 year for you to start making your money back. Well, it didn't take me a year to make my money back. I made my money back very, very quickly. For instance, I bought a nice automotive diagnosing machine that was over $2,000. After a few diagnostics, it paid for itself. So I will show you different things of how to do things. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that like button, because the algorithm is actually going to keep this information going and going and going and going. And all I ask you to do is pass the information and help one another. Please have a great day, and I'm here for you.